What's going on, everyone? Doing an updated video of my CC. It's been some time since the last time I've made a tour walk around video of my car when it was APR stage 2. That video kind of blew up, but a lot has been done to the car since. Right now it's currently integrated engineering, K04 tuned on the intake manifold tune from them on 93 octane. I am running a Shuenk K04 on the car currently. That thing has done pretty great. Paid little to nothing on it compared to other K04s on the market, but it's a really great turbo so far. Been beating on it for probably over 10,000 miles, no issues. But yeah, let me give you this walk around tour of the car. So to start off, I haven't washed the car, apologies, but I'm running Nanking Air 1s 245 40 17s to get grip. These things hook super well. I'm not having any issues with grip when I'm running these tires. The car is also Watermeth injected. It's also gutted. I'll show you really quickly. But I run this car gutted always. There's no door panels at all. Speakers are still on there, but car runs gutted. As I mentioned, it's running Devil's Own Watermeth. So here's the Watermeth kit right here. That's lined from the trunk that goes all the way to the front of the car. I have my controller sitting right here so I can watch when it's activating and set the levels. But the part that everyone's been waiting for really is this engine. So currently I have quite a few things, but what you can see is I have this HPA Intake Manifold clone right here that just installed. Also have a lightweight battery that I'm running as well to add to the weight savings. I weighed the car not too long ago. It weighed 3,050 pounds with half a tank of gas. So once I get a new seat, I could probably get down even lower. But this is a new intake manifold that I'm currently running. This thing is a beast. The top end and mid-range power is crazy. Once we get to anything past 60 miles per hour, it just pulls so hard. The biggest issue is that the K04 dies up top, but with this, I mean, the K04 is still dying once we get up to like 130, 140, but this thing just pulls strong all the way through. Red Bosch Audi R8 red coil packs. I also have an aluminum timing cover replacement. Again, the Shuenk K04 034 Motorsport mounts. I have CTS K04 outlet pipe. Also have the throttle pipe over here as well. This is where kind of the line comes in from the front of the car. The solenoid for the Watermeth. The bung is put right down in there for the Watermeth to be injected into the throttle pipe. Trying to find out a situation right here because this line is now getting hot. Now that it's sitting on this manifold, I'm gonna have to try to heat coat this because this thing is super hot. But looking to possibly, I mean, the car's maxed out already. Honestly, there's not much that the car can do with this little K04 on it. Looking to possibly get it big turboed. I have all the supporting mods. I have a integrated engineering intercooler in there as well. Turbo Smart diverter valve upgrade, so it's billet. So all of the only thing that's really missing right now is just a big turbo. But wanted to make this video as I've had a lot of people reach out to me. I didn't expect the first video to blow up, but you know, I mean, there's not many people with CCs, I guess, doing what I'm doing. Also, the front of the hood right here, top of it, lined in thermal tape. But yeah, guys, just want to do an updated walk around. I'll be posting plenty of videos soon. yeah, sorry I haven't really made much videos on this. Every time I wanted to make a video, I kept forgetting, and now I'm all the way here. But you're gonna see lots of videos with this intake manifold on. I'll be posting more clips, but yeah, stay tuned.